பற்றி நம்முடைய மாநிலத்தினுடைய மரியாதைக்குரிய பொறுப்பாளர் அமைச்சர் அவர்கள் பத்திரிகையாளர்களை சந்திப்பார். ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிட்டாங்க.
Vanakkam sir. My namaskaram and the prayer of the feet of Sri Manukula Nagar, Srimantu Sita Nandan Swaminar and Sri Albindo. Our President Pondicherry Puducherry Sri Selva Ganapati ji, MP and then State President. Our in charge and then my friend, closest associated Mr. Nirmal Kumar Subramanian, and then Puducherry ji, Home Minister, Honorable Sri Saman Sivayam, and then other all dignitaries and my friends and press people. I am extremely happy to present here with all the dedicated Karyakartas of our party in Puducherry. I am humbled by your warm welcome for my first visit as Minister of Union Government. Your energy and enthusiasm will give me strength to take forward the good work done by our beloved Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji. The people of India have blessed Sri Narendra Modi ji and NDA for historic third term to lead India on the path of development. ये सब बात करने के बाद मैं पुडुचेरी का क्या क्या करूँ सभी केबल भी करेगा बाद में करेंगे. I am grateful to Honorable Prime Minister and senior leader of BJP for giving me an opportunity to work with them as Minister of State for Railways and Jal Shakti. India has made a huge progress in the last 10 years in every sector. During Modi 1.0 and Modi 2.0, the schemes such as Ayushman Bharat, Swachh Bharat Mission, Atmanirbhar Bharat, Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao, Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, PM Ujjwal Yojana, PM Awas Yojana, Digital India, Jal Jeevan Mission, Startup India, Stand Up India, Khelo India, Udan, Ujjwal Yojana, PM Surya Ghar Mukti Bijli Yojana, PM Jan Ayush Nidhi Yojana, Amrut Station, Vande Bharat train have placed India on the path of becoming a global leader. Above all, the PM Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana started in 2020 to support the poor who suffered due to COVID has helped 75 crore people in past 4 years. In this budget, Modi ji has extended the scheme for another 5 years, which would help 80 crore people to get benefit. This is an unique and the largest welfare scheme in the world. Since 2014, Amrut Kala has started in Bharat. It is the dream of Amrut Kala started in Bharat. It is the dream of our Honorable Prime Minister to create Vikasit Bharat by 2047. Our target is achieve $7 trillion economy by 2030. In addition to the already extending welfare program and scheme, our government has made provision for the following areas in budget 2024. We have allocated 1.52 lakhs crores for the agriculture sector. Our government will come up to the national cooperation policy to strengthen cooperators. PM Mudra loan limit has been enhanced from 10 lakh to 20 lakhs. For employment and skilling, the government has allotted rupees 2 lakhs crore. As part of the Prime Minister's package, 5 key schemes and incentives have been announced, supported by the massive center outlay of rupees 2 lakhs crores. The package will facilitate employment, skilling and other opportunities for 4.1 crore youth over the next 5 years. All youth entering the workforce in formal sector will get the direct benefit of 15,000, which will be benefit more than 2 crores youth. Our government will launch a new centenary sponsored scheme for skilling 20 lakhs youth for next 5 years. Employment incentive scheme will enable to create for about 2.290 lakh of the new jobs for our youth. Salarized employees can now save up to 17,500 in the next tax regime. PM Awas Yojana 2.0 will provide house to more than 1 crore urban middle class families. Since 2015 for urban area and 2016 for rural area, the PMAY has forced to provide Pakka houses with essential amenities such as household toilet, LPG connection, electricity and functional house of tap connection. The scheme makes the female head of the family be owner of the co-owner of the house, promoting women's empowerment, especially among economically weaker section. Before 2014, for 60 years, government used Garib Hatao as a slogan of win election. But Shri Narendra Modi ji, in the last 10 years, has been responsible for removal of poverty in our country. In the last 10 years, all these schemes have uplifted 25 crores people from below poverty line. Our mother and our sisters are in the prime focus of our government vision. In this budget, Modi ji has allocated rupees 3 lakhs crores for development and empowerment of women. Our country has huge youth population. We aim to channelize the energy to youth and nation building. Well educated, well skilled youth will lay the foundation to make India Vishwa Guru by 2047. Strong infrastructure and convincity is very essential for country growth. Modi government has given high priority to development of infrastructure. In this budget, 11.11 lakh crores are allocated, an increase of 11% in this accelerator job creation in the both urban and rural areas. To enhance convenience to our village, Phase 4 of the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana PMGSY will provide all-weather connectivity of 25,000 rural habitation. Prior to 2014, railway used a super due to strong shortage of funds. This causes delay and comprehensive of the railways project. Modi government took the bold step to merging railway budget with central budget. Prior to 2014, railway used super due to shortage of funds in this cause. declare competition of the railways project, Modi government took the bold step to merging railway budget with general budget. Railways has been allocated highest every outlay of 2.62 lakh crores, which has given spend of the scale to all railway projects throughout the country. This is 20,000 crores more than last year allocation. It is Modi ji dream that every common railway passenger should get good class facilities. To entire country, 1,324 stations are being developed under Amrit Bharat scheme. Pondicherry is a world-renowned tourist destination with historical significance. The Pondicherry station is more than 140 years old and was taking many facilities. Now we have undertaken the redevelopment of this station at a cost of 93 crores. Karaikal and Mahi station will also developed as Amrit station. In the last 10 years, railway project worth of 280 crores have been extended in Puducherry. 100% electrification has been completed in Puducherry. Karaikal, Peralam, GC project 23.54 kilometers is progress and will be completed shortly. Train number 76852, train number 76851, Tiruchirappalli, Nagur, Tirchi, Jammu passenger extended up to Karaikal, which benefit hundreds of passengers. With enhancement of railways connectivity, the tourism and local economy of Puducherry will get a huge boost. The budget has given momentum to the Sankalpa with Vikasit Bharat. This budget is a broad for Vikasit Bharat. The budget 2024 and 2025 aims to fulfill this vision by empowering the women, youths and poor families. For poor farmers, Modi ji is committed to whipping away in tears of our sisters and mothers. Earlier, our mother and sisters had no walk several kilometers to get drinking water. Now our government is giving up tap water supply for every rural householder under the Jal Jeevan Mission. Out of 19 crores householders, 15 crores householders have get tap water connectivity in the budget of budgeted outlay of 3.6 lakh crores. I am very happy to share the Puducherry has achieved 100% target in providing tap water connection under JJM Puducherry. Union Territory achieved the first place in Jal Jeevan Award 2022, recognition of outstanding work under Jal Jeevan Mission. I am also happy to know that all the 91 villages of Puducherry Union Territory have been declared ODF under Swachh Bharat Mission. This budget benefits every section of the society, including the middle class. The budget will bring in prosperity to farmers and open new opportunity of youth and education, skilling and employment. It aims to empower tribal population, the weaker and backward sector in the society. So I am happy to say one more in Puducherry, new broad gauge, Dindivanam to Puducherry, via Villanuru, RS 740 crores, work will started. Feasibility already gone, and then within no time work will start. It will start the work. Puducherry to Kadalur by 60 kilometers. 4-lane flyover and then 4-lane flyover ATF mill cost 75 crores. Tender is August 24. Kadalur port sidelining FLS is progress. find location survey is progressive. There are the 4 item major railway line is already.
Pandi Kadalur.
We are now, but we are taken already. Survey is going on, DPR is going on. After DPR, I'm already spoken in all our leaders, but it is very much important. We are, but nobody taken the survey. We are already survey from over. DPR is going on. After DPR, we can take that, consider the facts. And then we are in Puducherry in 24-25 central budget. We are given a top priority: agriculture, tourism, employment, education, social justice, manufacturing and service, and then energy security, infrastructure, urban development. These are the main we have taken. So many amount we are already given. This one also we put to the, we are given to you. I am requesting you, भाषा का थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, इधर हिंदी का थोड़ा एक करता है, हमें सभी कन्नड़ में बात करने का. मेरा फ्रेंड सुराना, myself, you are in Karnataka. In the meanwhile, I am Bangalore 7-time MLA, 5-time minister. I know development. We are upcoming by only development. We taken seriously in Puducherry. Our leader, our chief minister, and then our party Adhyaksh and home minister, our Surana ji, we are all taken. This Puducherry is also part and parcel of our one, and that's why we are given top priority to Puducherry.
Opposition parties in Pondicherry, I mean, they are taking care of this budget, saying that you are having an alliance government, BJP is having an alliance government, but there was nothing specific about Pondicherry, even for any specific.
I will give it to you. These are all. It is Modi government.
You are announced with this project, but the budget is not.
But you are already allocation. 1 minute. Allocation is already done. But it will take its time. We are top priority. We are given how much we have taken 24-25. Sir, Vande Bharat train now shortage of bogies. We are thinking, even I am struggling. In railway, leave it railway. We are taken top priority. In 10 years, only 12% electrification is there. After more than, in 40-45 years, in Congress government, we are doing 10,000 doubling. In our 10 years, Modi ji resume, 45,000 doubling we are doing. In electrification, 5,000 kilometers, 45,000 kilometers. In the meanwhile, there are so many old projects are there. They are not looking up. Only किताब में रहता है, जाता है, किताब में रहता है, सभी छोड़ को देखिए न्यू प्रोजेक्ट लेने का बाद में ओल्ड प्रोजेक्ट कौन सा है, उसको कैसा स्ट्रेंथनिंग करने का, ये सभी एक कर को अभी न्यू प्रोजेक्ट को अब बोलिए ना, पंडित पुदुचेरी सम वी आर टेकन टॉप प्रायोरिटी सर्विस ऑफ द पीपल.
Congress government 15 raids are daily conducted many cities. But this government is 7 or 6 raids are daily.
But the union
Why?
is not given the any single rate increase in Pondicherry.
बाबा मैं चेक करता हूँ, आप क्या बोलिया 15 रेल किधर गया क्या गया, मुझे अभी चेक करने का नहीं होगा. 94 तो रोज आपको देखो, आपका स्टेशन भी अच्छा हो रहेगा. कितने ट्रेन डालने का है, कितने फीसिबिलिटी है, सब भी करने का हमको क्या भी मुश्किल नहीं है, करेंगे. बाद में ओनली रेलवे वो एक किया तो नहीं होता है, सब फैक्टर में हमें काम करना पड़ेगा. वी आर टेकन मेजर इन एग्रीकल्चर इन पुदुचेरी एंड देन वी आर एग्रीकल्चर में वी आर गिविंग 32 field horticulture crops you are that's why you are given that money, and then you are already sending the government to take appropriate decisions. And then tourism, 2,500 crores allotted for the NDA government, making efforts to the position India as a global tourism division. 2,500 crores को पुदुचेरी को कितना देने का, कितना टॉप रेट देने का, वो सब देने का, ये सब भी पुदुचेरी का इम्प्रूवमेंट का कैसा करना, क्या करना, ये सब भी देखो. बाद में 148 करोड़ डेवलपमेंट ऑफ टूरिज्म को हमें देखो. 148
tourists.
I'm given. You are already taken now. You please see this. And then education. Modi government has specially employs for the health and medical education. The annual budget allocation of the Jawaharlal Nehru postgraduate medical education research Pondicherry for the current financial year, sir. Current financial year 24-25, 1,440 crores. Education 1,000. These are all, and then social justice. That's why. Sir, right.
Any new claims including the...
Sir, we are thinking, I am already, morning I will insist our general manager, DRM and then chief engineer, wherever essential, किधर आपको ये रेलवे होना चाहिए, वो सभी एक करको भेजिए करको बोल को सब. मैं another within 2 months I will come here. I am stay here 2 or 3 days. I am myself. I am complete. I will take you also. साहब एक बात सुनिए, पुदुचेरी रामेश्वरम ये सब भी होना चाहिए. 5 वर्ष पे सभी करने का होता है साहब. मैं झूठ बोलना नहीं, मुझे झूठ बोलने का नहीं होता है. बट वेर एसेंशियल सब वेर एसेंशियल है. किधर एसेंशियल है वो डालने का, कितने लिंकिंग करने का मैं ट्राई करूँगा. बाद में मुझे क्या वो कोई ये सभी हमको भी, मैं स्टेट गवर्नमेंट में काम करता था, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने काम करने का इससे इश्यूज करना ना, यही बहुत है. आई एम ऑल्सो ट्रेनिंग सेंटर नाउ provided within 3 months, another 1.5 months, I will come, and then what Karnataka get, Puducherry is also get. I am already insist. Within 2 months, I will come back. It is very, very precious line. Whatever it may be, I will request my cabinet minister also. I will request the officer also. I will do something. I will do something. Feasibility is there. We take top priority. Please. देखिए सर, देखिए उसको बात करने का क्या है, मोदी जी का ऊपर बात करने का क्या तो है, उन्हें क्या है बोलिए. नीतीश चंद्र मोदी जी का गवर्नमेंट के क्रिटिसाइज करने का उसका पास क्या भी नहीं है. वो फ्रेंडली पार्टी है. वही जाको ये इधर क्या कर रहे नीति आयोग को कहीं ने अटेंड नहीं किया. फेडरल स्ट्रक्चर में देखिए प्लीज छोड़िए सबके भी, वो सभी मोदी जी आंसर करता है. बाद में मुझे होना चाहिए पांडिचेरी इम्प्रूवमेंट होने का क्या क्या प्रिकॉशन हमें लेने का. वी आर थिंकिंग. डोंट देखिए अभी 2 महीने देखिए, अभी जल शक्ति 100% वी आर अचीव. एनीथिंग एल्स एंड देन नो मॉर्निंग somebody come and approach me in drinking water in Puducherry is not good. You do something. There is an agreement between Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. Even I am requesting Tamil Nadu officers also, the ministers also. I will call our concerned minister also. Come and it comes under my jurisdiction. I will speak to them. In year after, drinking water is essential for everybody. That's why I am thinking some precautionary measures are taken. Thank you.
Sir, you are from Karnataka. Actually, regarding Meghdadu issue, Karnataka stands, they have to...
देखिए मेकेदाट इशू में last 3-4 days back, Dharmalingam, our minister, beloved minister, Tamil Nadu is coming and meet our cabinet minister and myself also. We are already requesting. This is the friendly, you can sit before. और दोनों भी INDIA रहे, दोनों बात करी है. बाद में कहता भी करेंगे करको मैं बात कर कोई. वो कर्नाटका people are requesting only drinking water दीजिए. इन्हें आपको क्या तो भी होता है. अभी प्रकृति बहुत बड़ा है, बहुत भारी खा रही. अभी डिबेट का भी नहीं है. बाद में देखिए वैसा कैसा चालू करना क्या गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया will seriously take it. Both the state coordinately come along and then we are solved. Thank you. Thank you. What is your opinion?